Guys, my two NFT projects of this month. Now, they're both fantastic projects already. They're not brand new, but there's things going on that you need to get involved with them right now. Okay, let's update you after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for educational purposes only, so let's get straight into the video. So guys, number one is Pudgy Penguins. Now, Pudgy Penguins is already a fantastic NFT platform, okay? But if you go over to OpenSea right now, you can see that their floor price has been rising. It's back at 4.35. Okay, guys, it's a fantastic project, and let's just talk a little bit about exactly what it is and what's coming up. So there's 8,888 unique collectible penguins with proof of ownership stored in the Ethereum blockchain. Now, with Pudgy Penguins, all right, you're gonna welcome the world of Pudgy Penguins, a Web3 born brand that fosters creativity, freedom, and community. The Pudgy Penguins brand actually produces content, merchandise, toys, digital collectibles, all right, and they actually believe in the power of play of imagination. So they're committed to helping you unlock your inner child. It's a very cold place, but you'll be warm with your new favorite penguin family. So they got the Pudgy Giffies, all right? Explore the library of the Giffies just by hitting this button here. The fall winter collection, so you can actually have a look in there. They cozy up with their fall 22 collection, all right? The little Pudgies have come out. There's over 22,222 Pudgies of the northern descent. Little Pudgies are cute, adorable, but don't let their looks fool you. So you can get involved with the original Genesis, okay, or start getting involved with all their sidetracked NFTs. Now, claiming free little Pudgies to vibe with the Pudgy Penguins that you own, you just gotta connect your wallet, all right? I do recommend getting a MetaMask wallet and connect it, especially if you're in the NFT game on Ethereum, all right? This, of course, is on the Ethereum chain. That's why it's on OpenSea. And if you want to really know the deep history of what went into this through the stage, they actually took a huge growth when this was released. And then with all crypto and all NFTs, they dove. But for them, the powerful community behind them didn't allow them to dive too much, where they're now still, again, sitting at a floor price of 4.35. Now, if we check the price of ETH right now, you can see here the price of Ethereum is at 1,524 pounds as of today. So 6,614 pounds it would cost you just to get the floor price of Pudgy Penguins, guys. So that means this is so fantastic, it's ridiculous, okay? They've actually brought out something new called the Bible, okay? And what the Bible is going to do is allow you to actually have access to this on any platform, have your rights to it, and much more. So guys, please get in here, follow them, get on their Twitter, get on all that, get yourself one of these if you can afford the money. Of course, remember the disclaimer and get involved right now. Let's move on to the second one that I think you need to be involved with today. The second one is, of course, RTFKT. There's actually a new event coming out, which is why I want to talk about them. If you go to their website, you'll actually see it on here. 8 days to go and 47 minutes as I'm recording this, okay? This was one of the most loved projects when it came out because Nike, of course, are one of the biggest brands in the world. So guys, for this event, okay, it's going to blow your mind. It's the forging event, all right? Now, before copying an RTFKT NFT that can unlock up NFTs for a forging event, here is what you need to know first, okay? Make sure you're eligible. Make sure it hasn't already been claimed or forged, and keep in mind the status may change between the time of buying. So all you gotta do is check it out now. So you paste your OpenSea link in there of your NFT or the one you're planning to buy, guys. There's a really top tip. If you're planning to buy one of these to get involved with what's going on, let's put it back to grid. It always looks better on grid. If you're planning to buy one, okay, all you got to do is one of these CloneX's, grab it and copy and paste it into here and check that it is ready to be forged. It hasn't been forged, all right? They do have a lot of different ones on here, including actual physical brand. If you don't know what this is, it is Nike's NFT project that is blown up everywhere in the world, okay? You can see there's lots of challenges that go on here. If you go onto their Twitter, there's a lot of stuff that happens on here, and they've got some powerful people they work with. Atari, Kayaki, Staple, Epic Games, things like that, guys. If we're looking at the price of what this is, again, it's on Ethereum. As you can see, it's on OpenSea. The floor price for CloneX is sitting at 4.99 ETH, very similar to Pudgy Penguins, which puts that at 7,605 pounds, okay? That's how much it would cost to get yourself one of these, but I do think that event's gonna blow up. Do some research into it, get on the Twitter right now and have a look. But guys, from me with that video, they're the two that are already satisfied in the NFT world, but that I do think are going to be at least 10x this year with what's coming out for them. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.